Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another Sunday reset. I know you guys love these, but this time it's going to be a little bit different because I'm at my parents' house in North Carolina. So if you saw my previous video, it was a pack with me type situation. I was packing to come here, me and the kids, for about a month. We've been here for 2-3 weeks now. Brandon's gonna be meeting us actually this weekend. He'll be down here for another week, and then we're all just gonna drive back to Tennessee all together as a family. I'm still doing my part while I'm visiting, cleaning and doing things that I need to do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this one. A little change of scenery, so let's get started. So fun fact, my parents built this house over 10 years ago. I have 2 sisters and a younger brother, and when they built this house, they made sure to make a room for each of us. So whenever we come to visit, we always have a place to stay, and it doesn't include the guest bedroom that they have downstairs. And they also made a room for our kids to stay when we all come to visit as a family, which is really cool. We have our bathroom. It's like we have our own quarters. Anyway, you'll see the kids' bedroom and some more of the house a little bit later on in this video, but you guys saw me make my bed. We have a king size bed and a fairly large bedroom. You'll see a little bit more later on. And then after I make my bed, I'm going to do my super simple skincare routine that I do in the morning. And then I'm heading downstairs to start the crock pot because I don't want to think about dinner today. I have too many things going on. So I'm making some garlic butter steak bites. So you can buy your steak already cubed or you can cube it yourself. I added in a little over 2 pounds and some garlic, onions, little potatoes, steak seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and I think that's it. Oh, and a stick of butter. And you let that sit for 8 hours on low. Maybe the last 30 minutes, I added in some cornstarch and water, like a little mixture to thicken up the sauce so it's more of a gravy, and it was on point. I definitely recommend this one. So if you guys don't know, my family lives in the country, like the outskirts of the city that they're from, and I'm just showing you guys some clips. I'll show you guys a little bit more later on. The kids love riding on the four-wheeler. My dad has a little garden back there with a bunch of vegetables, some fruit, herbs, and I just love their land. All right, so like I told you guys earlier, my parents made a room specifically for the kids. We are in the middle of trying to figure out how to redecorate in here and what we need to do, but for now we have new bedding on the bed. That's pretty much it, and I'm just straightening up, making the beds, and I'm gonna get started on some laundry because it's getting a little full. Like I said, we've been here for almost 3 weeks now, so it's time to do another load of laundry for the kids, and I'm also gonna go upstairs and sort through mine.
I tried so hard to let go, writing poetry and rhymes just to get you off my mind. It's either yes or it's no. I'm not a yo-yo on a string that you flip and twist and swing. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready.
Right, so this is the kids' bathroom. It's your average size full bathroom, but I feel like I can declutter a lot of this stuff on the countertop. This Febreze is empty. I'm not sure why it's sitting here. The soap dispenser is empty, and I definitely need to clean it because I don't know the last time it's had a good like deep clean from top to bottom. The tub is usually the cleanest because this is where they take their showers and their bath, but everything else, like all the nooks and crannies, I need to clean.
I'm running out of time. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready.
So the glass cleaner that I used is called Sprayway, but I've never seen the Sprayway multi-surface cleaner that my mom has, so I'm going to use it, try it out on these little floating shelves above the toilet. And I might as well go ahead and tell you guys, I didn't talk at all about this, but I feel like you guys should know. But my mom passed away at the end of March. We found out that she had cancer in January, so it was a pretty quick turnaround and it was terrible, but I still thought you guys should know. So I'm still referring to this house as my parents' house because really that's what it is. My mom was the glue to our entire family and we definitely miss her. It still doesn't feel real, but every time we visit, I feel like we should make it a point to deep clean something in the house because right now it's just my dad in this huge house, so he definitely needs some help. I will say though, we are coping and we're doing a lot better than we were before. Her funeral was the worst day of my life and the days leading up to it was just the worst, but the service itself was so good. It was so good to see a lot of family. I'm still gonna talk about my mom as if she was still here because I feel like it's not real yet. And so you remember when I got my mom's dog and I said we were watching him, we found out she was sick and she was getting way too weak to take care of him, so we decided to bring him to Tennessee and just watch him while she goes through her treatments, thinking that after her treatment she would get him back. Her dog was her pride and joy. She never got him back, so we are just now returning Kobe back to my dad, so he's gonna keep my dad company because my mom would have wanted him to stay with my dad anyway. A lot of you guys always ask about the dog that just all of a sudden showed up at my house, but yeah, like I told you guys before, it was my mom's dog and we are returning him back to my dad. So my parents have been married for over 40 years and have traveled the world together, collected a ton of things throughout their travels for the house as far as like furniture and decor. So they have their own style, which I love and appreciate. So as far as the bathroom, I'm just going to use things that are laying around the house, and I'm also going to be simplifying it a little bit so we don't have decor just collecting dust in here because it is just the kids' bathroom, but I still want a little something in here.
so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will
dime thousands. When you're next to, when you're next to, when you're next to me.
Damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? 'Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, 'cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals.
And last but not least, I'm going to be picking some things for tomorrow's salad. Not too much today, but I still managed to get a good amount of tomatoes, a jalapeno, and a banana pepper. And my dinner, I wasn't too hungry. I was doing a lot of snacking today, so I didn't make a huge plate, but this is what it looked like. It was delish. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys later.
Try to give you my best shot, but my best don't mean